I bet you didn't know AI is like a recipe. Let's cook up some knowledge. Imagine you're baking cookies. First, you need ingredients, just like AI needs data. The recipe? That's the algorithm, a set of instructions the AI follows. Next, you mix it all together. This is training the AI, helping it learn from the data. The oven? That's the AI's processing power, which helps it analyze and understand patterns. Once baked, you taste the cookies. This is the AI making decisions or predictions based on what it learned. If the cookies aren't right, you tweak the recipe. Similarly, AI is fine tuned and retrained to improve accuracy. Every time you bake, you get better at it, just like AI, which gets smarter with more data and practice. From self driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is the magic behind the scenes. So, next time you hear AI, think of it as a smart cookie recipe, always improving and learning. Cool, right? That's AI demystified for you. Ready to dive deeper? Follow us for more tech insights.